Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamisa Capri, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today, I am talking about being overwhelmed by my to-do list. I'm just feeling some kind of way today. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm feeling some kind of way today, y'all. I recognize that I'm feeling really off, really overwhelmed. Like nothing is getting done. Now my normal stuff that needs to get done is getting done, but the other stuff that kind of keeps it flowing, keeps it going is not getting done. And I think what's happening, or this is what I'm going to try, and I hope you guys try it too, but I think I'm overtaxing my to-do list. I'm putting too much on there and I feel like it's not getting done. So I'm setting myself up for failure. So what I'm going to do, and what I think you should do too, is maybe put 3 to 5 things on the list. 3 to 5 things tops on the list, and see how that goes. See how that works out. And not only am I going to do 3 to 5 things, maybe even 3 things, 3 to 5, 5, because 3 things might not be enough, but 3 to 5 things. And I'm not going to put anything else on that list until those 5 things are complete. I'm bad for that. I am bad for adding to the list. Like I'll have a list, like yesterday I'll have a list, doesn't get done. The next day the list grows, doesn't get done. Then those things fall off the list. And I'm not, anyway. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 3 to 5, and I'm gonna get myself together, get myself centered, and focus on that. And I think too that I'm going to do some fasting and praying and getting myself realigned, getting my alignment back together. I feel like I'm off. And I don't know why, but I'm feeling off. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tackle my to-do list in a different way. I'm going to give myself some grace. I'm only going to do 3 to 5 things. I'm going to mark those things off when they get done. I'm not going to add anything new until that list is complete. I think that will help me with how I'm feeling, help me get some things done, because right now nothing's getting done because I'm overwhelmed by my list. I don't know. Put some comments in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Tell me how you guys go about doing it. I don't know. I just felt like I needed to share this with you guys. I know when we get to the point where we're busy doing things, creating things, working on things, we just put so much on our plate that nothing gets done. Maybe you guys don't do that, but I do. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do today. Pray for me. All right, guys. Take care. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.